All right. This is February 21st, and we're looking at some of the localized flooding in Caledonia. So you can see the water is near the beam portion of the bridge, the traffic going across, and the water's going actually quite fast. Here we are here. Ice is broken up from upriver, and now ground is pretty saturated with stuff, and now with water, and now we have all the ice coming down. So here's Allie checking it out. Let's go check out under the bridge here.
I know, there's water. I saw the
Oh, look at that, eh? The bridge, underneath the bridge has been compromised. Stay here, Allie. There we go. So, as you can see, the waterway under the bridge is pretty much toast there, and you can see the kind of sludge movement here. And that water's actually going pretty fast. It may not seem like it, but it's actually going really fast. We got chunks of wood and debris coming up. Oh yeah, those branches are hitting the ice.
It will actually hit the bridge.
Here, just go over to the concrete, please. Stay on the concrete, please. Look at that big piece of ice, eh?
Look at that bin.
Oh, and look at that blue bin. Oh boy. Oh, there's another bin. A white one. Who's going to win the race? Is it going to be white or blue? It's going to be white. All right.
Those are probably from the campsite way over there.
Wow, look at that, eh? That's just crazy.
Look, a tree.
Oh yeah, there's a lot of stuff coming down here. That branch is going to eventually snap if it keeps going.
But there is a lot of water sign. Weird sign.
Trees and big, pieces of blocks of ice here. Nuts. Look at that block of ice. That thing's huge. Wow.
It's a shark face.
Yeah. Yeah. Allie, stay on the concrete, please. Oh, that is going fast. You can look at the piers of the bridge, just the water going around it. If you can look at, just around there, it's traveling pretty fast there. Just under those piers, and you got a clearance of around, 7-8 feet from the traffic above. What do you think of all this flooding?
Weird.
Crazy, eh?
Look,
I haven't seen it like this ever.
That face kind of looks creepy. It's like a face.
Oh yeah, it does. It does kind of look like a face. Yeah, look at these big blocks of debris.
Of weird ice.
Look at right by the piers, eh? Like, wow.
Whoa, you got this tree.
Yeah, look at that. There's a huge tree coming down there. You can see there.
There's the face. I see way more down there.
Yeah, it's kind of disturbing how underneath the bridge there, that pathway is no longer, you can't use it anymore.
Yeah. Probably when it goes down, probably wouldn't be broken, maybe.
Yeah. That's bad.
Look at that branch is surviving.
Yeah, that branch it might break soon. Depends on how much debris comes down. I don't know if the river keeps going up higher. Stay on the concrete, please. Crazy, crazy, crazy.